Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to be making some general home decor, starting with this wooden sign. I have added a bit of twine so I can hang it with two little hooks there. And I'm going to just begin by adding some flowers to the sides with my hot glue. So I wanted to create a home sign for outside my door and I thought this is going to be perfect. So I've changed my mind. I think I'm going to go with some real dried flowers. I think it just gives it that high-end look that I'm really looking for. And you can purchase these off Amazon in tubs if you don't want to dry them yourself. These are just some of the ones that I've purchased, so if you want the link for them, let me know and I can give it to you. You can also buy it online as teas, so this is like chamomile and it smells amazing. It really literally smells like honey. So I'm going to be taking my hot glue to stick these down. I think I'll go with some purple, a bit of this bright pink, and once I've decided where I want it, I just cut it off with my fingers to the desired size. Going over the bright pink with a lighter pink, and I've added some greenery at the back. And I'm going to stick that right here. You can go over this little area with some twine so it looks like a little mini bouquet. I'm going in with some flowers that just really remind me of the sakura tree right here on the edge. So I'm just going to add some vinyl to my wooden sign, and I'm going for this font which I got off the font called Cold Outside. This is how it looks. I've measured it to size and I'm just going to cut it. So I'm back with my vinyl. I'm just going to add the transfer tape and then place it on to my wood. I'm going to peel the vinyl away, just go over it with a squeegee. And then taking my weeding tool just to weed out the excess. Once you've got it all ready, oh, almost missed one there. Once you've got it all ready, take your transfer paper, place it on top, go over it again to make sure it transfers to your transfer paper. And peel it away, and if you see that it hasn't quite stuck on, take your squeegee again. And I like to turn it around like this and peel away. And take your surface, make sure it's ready. And I'm going to see where I want it. I think that looks about right. Make sure it's straight. And then take your squeegee again to transfer the lettering. And then peel away. This is my favourite part. Some people enjoy weeding, I don't. For the next project, I'm making a candle holder, and I have a slice of wood as well as this glass. And as you can see here, I've got these bamboo sticks which were actually left over from an insect hotel. I thought they could come in handy, and all I'm going to do is decorate the jar. I actually saw this as inspiration from Shane, so I'm going to put an image here, and I thought I'll just do a little spin-off with what I've got. So I'm just going to take my hot glue to add these on, and you could do this however you like. I'm just going for a rustic farmhouse look with these DIYs, so I'm going to get them all matching. So this is a formation that I've done so far, a V with one going that way, so a V on this side again with one going that way, and you can leave it as just one or you can add another. I think I'm going to go with 2. And then eyeball it just to try to make sure that you've got it the same on both sides. And then for some extra detail, this is optional, but you can take some raffia and glue it around the neck of your glass. And as for the lights, you can add a tea light, an LED one like this on the top, or depending on the size that you have, I'm going to actually cut this so I can place it inside. Now for the next project, I've taken this artificial succulent, I've added some moss inside because it was black foam and it didn't look nice. I also took some gold paint just with my paintbrush and added some detail onto the top. Now I've collected some bark on one of my hiking trips and I've got this top of a cloche. I have a glass one but it was small and it didn't fit, so I've just got this plastic one, and all I'm going to do is place it on top. You can add some hot glue and you can see wherever you like it. I liked it best here. So I'm going to take my hot glue if I need, just to make sure it's secure. I'm going to cut around here. I'm not going to saw it because I like the uneven edges. I really love that it looks natural that way. And I'm going to add a wooden bead onto the top here, just to, tie it in with all the projects again using wood. This is the only one I've got. I really wish I had some that didn't have holes in, but unfortunately this is all I have. I can see the center there, so that makes it nice and easy for me just to add a dollop of glue and stick that right there. This is a nice, quick and easy way to transform a jar or a cloche. It makes it look a bit more high-end, plus you have something to lift it up from. These projects have been so affordable to make, so you don't need to worry about spending. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching and enjoyed all of today's ideas. Of course, let me know your favourite, and if there's something you want to see from me, let me know in the comments as well. I'll definitely take it on board. Maybe it'll be my next video. For now, take care. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!